ready, little Ember. We're almost there. No, can't stop now.
A little spark, how quaint. Let's see if it can withstand a true tempest.
What is this? The storm! It's angry now! I won't let you out! Not while I'm here!
Just a bit more, and that precious spark will be extinguished forever.
Please, don't go out! We're needed! For the warmth, for the smiles. No, not today. Not ever. A sprinkle of warmth, a pinch of light. Oh, the storm may rage, and where shadows grow, I will light the path.
Impossible! Such a tiny spark cannot defy me.
For every meal, a joyful sight.
Foolish kitten, this isn't over. This warm glow, it truly is a persistent nuisance.
We did it, little Ember. Warmth for everyone. Oh, what a magical Halloween night. Look at all the lights. The air smells like candied apples and pumpkin spice. This is the best carnival ever. Almost. Maybe next time I will win a giant marshmallow.
Such boisterous, unfiltered joy. How tiresome. Time to weave some quiet into this garish display.
Hey!
What's happening to the carnival? It's losing its sparkle.
Let their laughter become mere echoes in the fading light.
This isn't right. Someone is dimming the carnival's fun. I have to find out why. What is this strange light? Or lack of it? It feels like the night itself is being pulled away.
Ah, the sweet symphony of fading joy. My masterpiece is complete. It was him. He tied the night's light into that knot.
I have to do something.
Soon, this carnival will be but a forgotten whisper, and this night forever dim.
Not on my watch, Mr. Rat Lord. This carnival deserves its sparkle.
A mere kitten dares to challenge me? How utterly adorable!
I'm Muffin, the chef, and I won't let you spoil Halloween.
You amuse me, little chef.
But this night is mine. Almost. Got it. Just a little more.
Impudent feline! You will not undo my work.
Every good chef knows how to untie a tricky knot. This is not over, little chef.
I shall return.
Whew, that was a close one. But the carnival sparkle is back! See? Even a little chef can make a big difference. Looks like it's almost time to go, but with happy memories. What a journal! A bit spooky, but mostly full of light. What a journal! A bit spooky, but mostly full of light.
That pastry looks simply divine. Only the finest for that fine treat. That will be 5 shiny silver coins.
But I only have 1 copper, sir.
1 copper, sir. Then no pastry for you, little one.
Good day. Nee.
Ahem. Remarkable.
What? What is this creation? It's a secret recipe, sir.
A taste for a taste? Bleh.
What is that sound?
Hark, you shadows. The silver lantern moon shines for me alone. This Halloween, this night is mine. Every shadow, every light belongs to Slyvan.
Now this town and all its delicious secrets belong to me.
This night isn't yours, Slyvan. It belongs to all of us. A broken broom can always be mended with a little hope and a lot of thread. Did you hear that? The pumpkin seeds, are they talking? The moon, he's here. The Rat Lord? In the glasshouse garden? Oh no!
Let the chaos begin. Let the thorns grow. No joy shall escape my midnight maze. This maze of despair will feast upon their silly festivities. All joy consumed.
He's making the thorns grow. I have to stop him. My broom is mended, and my courage is too. Careful now. A good chef always finds the best path.
What? A mere kitten dares to trespass in my glorious maze? You can't escape, little kitten.
Yay! Thank you, friends. This way.
You? A little kitten with a stick? You think you can stop me?
A little hope, Lord Vermin, is stronger than all your thorns.
Take that, you big meanie!
Curse these tiny, clever claws. My magic.
Witchlight Eve is saved. Hope always finds a way. Oh dear, not again. This old broom. It's seen better Halloween nights.
Soon, all shall bend to my will. The broom's fading magic, a mere trifle.
No, it won't break. Not tonight. I just need a little hope.
Faster, you incompetent ninnies! My dominion awaits.
Just a little more. I can do this.
Courage, little mender. The thread of hope is stronger than any splinter.
Soon, this throne will be mine. And then, the world. The moment is at hand. Power! Absolute power! fools! The reign of Malachi begins!
Finished. Just in time.
No! It cannot be! That meddlesome kitten!
Whew. Save the day, old friend. Happy Halloween!
Indeed, Lily. Pumpkins remember, and now the shadows listen to hope.